You give medicine to your child to heal their cough, but what if that same medicine kills them? In Madhya Pradesh, India, 16 children have lost their lives after consuming a toxic cough syrup, prescribed by doctors, sold by pharmacies, and trusted by parents. Authorities have arrested the doctors who prescribed it and have banned the syrup across multiple states. The main question still remains, how did this poison slip through the system? Before you trust any medicines, a thorough research with experts and the internet is must to know whether the drug is safe or not. Follow this account for more such updates and stay informed about your health.